and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is EQing kick drum. Today we're gonna be doing basic kick drum EQ. So in my today's video I'm gonna be using EQ from PULSAR Audio, which is called 8-100 EQ. You can buy this EQ on UDIAUDIO website. The link will be in the info box of this video. Also on UDIAUDIO website you can find a lot of deals for plugins. So the link also will be in the info box of this video. First of all, before EQing our drum kick, let's have a listen to our kick in solo and unsolo against the snare and our drum kit. Now let's have a listen to our kick in solo. Now let's try to add some attack to our kick drum, and in this case let's take shelf EQ. Now, after creating some attack in our kick drum, let's try to clean up the mid-range. So in this case we should grab a medium EQ bell and sweep around for the boxy and hunky frequencies and cut garbage frequencies. So here around 400 Hz we have more focused sound. Also we can use high pass filter to remove unwanted sub-lows. Let's try high pass filter on our kick drum. I guess using high pass filter around 40 Hz will be good in our situation to cut some unwanted sub-lows. Now to create a good low end in our kick drum, let's try boosting some fundamentals. Now our kick has a very good low end. And finally, let's try to tame mid-range. In this case we should seek and destroy mid-range with a medium EQ. Now let's have a listen to our kick and our drums mix. And finally let's have a listen to our kick drum with and without EQ in our drums mix. So in this case we have a very good attack in our kick drum sound. We cut some mid-range and we cut some unwanted unpleasant frequencies. We boosted some low end. We boosted some fundamentals of our kick drum to create a good low end. And we removed some unwanted sub-lows by using high-pass filter. So in this case we have some very good basic EQ settings for our kick drum. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you. And again, you can buy PULSAR Audio 8200 EQ on UDIAUDIO website. All links will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.